Imagine arriving at a busy public restroom and not knowing whether it's available. Many people waste time waiting or repeatedly checking if the restroom is occupied. To solve this problem, we developed the Smart Restroom Occupancy Monitor, a privacy-friendly IoT solution powered by the Seeed XIAO ESP32. When a person enters the restroom, the time of flight sensor detects their presence. The XIAO ESP32 processes this information and instantly updates the OLED to be occupied, while the LED changes to red. Once the person leaves, the display changes back to vacant and the LED turns green. Our system also helps monitor the soap dispenser. Instead of measuring the amount of soap directly, it counts the number of times the dispenser is pressed. When the usage reaches a predefined limit, the system indicates that it's time to refill the soap dispenser. This makes it easier for the staff to know when to refill the soap. Unlike camera-based systems, our solution protects user privacy while providing real-time occupancy information and supporting better restroom maintenance. It is affordable, cheap, easy to implement, and suitable for restaurants, shopping malls, offices, schools, and other public facilities. Thank you.